A devastating earthquake has hit Nepal, and children and families need your help. Children have lost their homes and are living in tents or temporary shelter. Without clean water and proper sanitation, the threat of disease is very real. And without urgent supplies, these children will struggle to survive. UNICEF is in Nepal right now, racing to provide tents, blankets, medicine, safe clean water, and other life-saving emergency supplies. But more help is urgently needed. There isn't a moment to lose. I've seen UNICEF's incredible work in Nepal firsthand, the work they do to save lives. Be there for the children. Donate to UNICEF now.